Today, we're diving right into the magic world of Disney to uncover some of the most effective sales techniques ever made. You can use these strategies to apply some extra magic to your everyday sales job, no matter the industry, so let's dive in. What's going on, guys? I'm Jathan. I've actually worked in the sales industry for, probably going on between 8 and 10 years now. Most recently, I've been in the SaaS space, selling HR and payroll technology, making a lot of cold calls and adding a bunch of money to the pipeline. Over the last 2.5 years, I've added over $11 million to my company's pipeline that I want to show you some of the things that I've learned from Disney to apply to your own sales job, and that you can add magic to almost every single call and make your sales better. Let's get into it. Disney is the master of storytelling, or what I like to call story selling, more than anything and above. See, Disney doesn't just sell a product, or maybe they don't just sell a theme park. What they actually sell is the stories that connect emotionally with every individual that comes across their product. In your sales job, think about how you can weave stories into every single contact that you have. Instead of worrying so much about the product or the techniques that you have to use, it's how can you sell via story to really get in touch with the emotional side of the person. What do I mean by this? A lot of salesmen, especially early in their career, get so caught up into the features or the actions of which whatever product you're selling does. But at the end of the day, people don't buy necessarily off of cognitive thinking on this product performs X. Realistically, they buy for the emotion that the product will give them. Meaning that if you sell in the HR and payroll space like I do, I don't sell because, hey look, we do payroll and we can do things on a timely manner. Guess what? Every payroll company out there does that. What we do is solve the emotion tied to what the product can solve at the end of the day. What is the person looking for? Are they looking for free time? Are they looking for stress to be alleviated from their day? Or maybe is it the simplicity that the system can offer, but it solves the person's chaotic day to day? Meaning that we give them time back to themselves, not that, hey look, we offer a simple to use technology. Above anything else, Disney ensures that the customer is emotionally connected on all levels while engaging with the product. See, Disney has done their homework, and the experience that they've gained over 100 years shows their customers don't just buy from thinking that they want to do something. It's how they emotionally connect to the product. So what does this all mean? In your sales approach, focus on building an emotional connection with every individual that you come across. Every client or prospect that comes across your desk should be approached in the same manner. Not just, hey, we have X product, but how can I solve your problem? Listen to their needs, emphasize with their challenges, and really show that you are connected to helping this individual, no matter the cost. When your customers feel understood and valued, they end up buying more product than you could actually ever sell to just any Joe Blow off the street. Because people that feel connected to someone else don't think they're being sold anything. They genuinely think that maybe they're talking to an expert or someone who genuinely cares about the well-being of them. So do your best to emotionally connect and listen to the person's problem to actually solve for the emotional state that they want to be in. One of Disney's hallmarks is their attention to detail. Every little thing is meticulously planned and placed to give a seamless experience for every individual entering into their parks or watching any movie that they watch at the movie theater. This magical touch and focus allows for Disney to actually pull in every individual that comes across a Disney product, making sure that they're placed into the story that Disney wants to tell. Disney is known for going above and beyond to exceed expectations for every single person, no matter the age, that comes into contact with their product. They create magical moments that last a lifetime and memories that will be passed on from grandchild to grandchild. They rely so heavily on the experience that the customer engages on that that's all they think about. From the experience of meeting their favorite character maybe for the first or the 100th time, all the way down to the ride and how thrilling it is to engage all senses to drive someone to keep coming back for more. Whether it's personalized follow-ups, small minute details that you remember from the second that you meet somebody, all the way to ensuring your product's presentation is absolutely flawless. These little things make huge impacts on the greater scale of what the client sees in you. Think about how you can truly blow the minds of every single prospect that you come across. Can you offer a surprise discount, add more value, or even follow up in a way that shows you genuinely care about their needs? Disney creates a unique branding experience, something that is consistent across all touch points no matter what. That's including from their movies to their theme parks, all the way down to their customer service. Disney is focused on excellence no matter the cost. So think of it, how can you develop your own branding experience for every client or prospect that you might have in your own database? It could be things like being consistent in your messaging, the presentations that you offer, or the interactions that you have between each and every single client remains the same. Make your brand something that your customers recognize and trust every time they see you or your logo. Disney continues to leverage technology to enhance the overall customer experience on all levels. Whether it's through the Magic Band system or the My Disney Experience app, all the way through to Disney Plus, Disney makes sure that they bring every single person into the technology to enhance the experience that causes magic for every expectation. I know this one might seem pretty straightforward, but make sure that you're incorporating technology into your everyday sales process to make things as streamlined as possible, not only for you, but for the experience of the clients or customers that you wish to serve. Use CRMs to ensure that you're tracking every single customer interaction. Employ social media, things like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, to ensure that you're constantly in contact with every single client or customer that you have in your CRM. This builds overall trust and consistency that shows that you truly care about the value and the need for every single client. And on top of this, use the data that the CRM offers. This will allow you to tailor your own sales approach to every single person that you meet, overall expanding the customer experience from just the ending of the sales process throughout the entirety of the sales process, making sure everything goes your way and you put yourself in the best chance possible to close more deals. By implementing these Disney sales techniques into your job and your life, you can ensure that you're allowing yourself to offer magical experiences that connect with every single client or customer that you have. Ensuring this magical experience will set you apart from your competition, much like Disney does today against its rivals such as Six Flags and Universal Studios. Remember, it's all about the storytelling experience that you're going to offer to emotionally connect with your clients to increase your capability to close more deals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below on the things that you enjoyed from it, or what did I miss that you think is super vital to the sales process. Hit that subscribe button and the like button as well. For now, go out, be you, be great. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.